everyone! Did you know that Barbie has had over 200 different dream houses since her debut in 1959? That's right! From beach houses to penthouses, she's got them all. Do you have a favorite Barbie dream house? Let me know in the comments. Today, we're diving into an exciting project, Barbie's brand new dream house makeover. But wait, there's a twist. We'll be featuring Pajama Barbie in this adventure. She's all about comfort and style, and we can't wait to see how we can transform her space into the ultimate cozy haven. So, let's take a look at Barbie's current dream house. It's looking a bit outdated and not quite ready for Pajama Barbie's chill vibes. The colors are too bright, and the furniture? Let's just say it's not exactly giving off that cozy, pajama party feel. We need to create a space that's stylish yet comfortable, perfect for lounging around in those cute jammies. Pajama Barbie deserves a dreamy, cozy environment where she can relax, entertain her friends, and maybe even have a movie marathon. So, let's get brainstorming and figure out how we can transform this space into something she'll love. Alright, let's get into the fun part, redecorating. First off, we've got to choose the perfect color palette. Pajama Barbie loves soft pastels and calming colors, so we're thinking light pink, mint green, and a touch of lavender for that dreamy vibe. Next up, it's all about the themes. We want a cozy, sleepover-inspired look. Think fairy lights, fluffy pillows, and cute wall art that reflects Pajama Barbie's personality. We could even create a little reading nook with a beanbag chair and some bookshelves filled with her favorite reads. And of course, we can't forget the furniture. We're going to swap out the stiff couches for a comfy sectional that's perfect for lounging. We'll add a cozy blanket and some fun throw pillows to really make it inviting. Plus, a cute little snack table for popcorn and drinks during movie nights is a must. Drumroll, please. It's time to reveal the big transformation. Ta-da! Check out Pajama Barbie's new dream house. The color scheme is just perfect, so inviting and relaxing. Look at the cozy sectional with all those fluffy pillows. And the reading nook? It's like a little slice of heaven. Pajama Barbie is absolutely thrilled with her new space. You can see the joy on her face as she checks out her new cozy corner and the soft lighting from those fairy lights. She can't wait to invite all her friends over for a pajama party. Everything from the cute wall art to the comfy furniture just screams relaxation and fun. So there you have it. We transformed Barbie's dream house into the ultimate cozy retreat for Pajama Barbie. From the soft pastel colors to the comfy furniture, every detail was chosen to create a space that's both stylish and comfortable. We had so much fun throughout the process, and it really shows how creativity can bring a space to life. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite makeover ideas? Do you have any suggestions for what we should do next? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this makeover adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.